Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to tell you about a great way to earn a little extra with your trades on OctaFX, their cashback program. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this is something you'll want to know about. Disclaimer and disclosure. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Trading Forex and CFDs carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Full disclaimer is available in the description below. So what's OctaFX Cashback all about? Basically, it's a program where you get a portion of the spread returned to you on every trade you make, win or lose. It's extra money for doing exactly what you're already doing, which is trading. If you're using an MT4 account, you can earn between $3 and $4 per trade as cashback, while MT5 users get between $2 and $3. Not bad, right? Now let's talk about getting started with this. If you're a new trader, all you need to do is open an account through the link in the description below and shoot us an email at support@findforexbroker.com. This way, we can make sure your cashback is set up and ready to go. If you're already with OctaFX, no problem. You can switch your introducing broker IB to IB672108 with us by filling out a quick form, which you'll find on our website, findforexbroker.com. Or just search for OctaFX Cashback by Find Forex Broker on Google, and you'll find all the steps. Just remember to email us after you've opened the account or changed your IB so we can get you started. Lastly, let's cover payments. You can choose how often you want to get paid, daily, weekly, or monthly. Payouts are available in options like USDT, TRC20, Skrill, or Perfect Money, so you can pick what's most convenient for you. If you've got questions about your payout schedule, just reach out to us by email and we'll help you sort it out. All right, that's it for today. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more Forex tips and updates. Thanks for watching and happy trading.